गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स, मैं ब्रिजेश सिंह, सुब्रत सिंह चिल्ड्रन एकेडमी, पॉलिटिकल साइंस. I will display today's session until you don't have proper destination, proper study material with the complete dedication of your discipline, hard work. It's low chances to be achieved your goal. Now the political science I will talk about the syllabus classification. The first book, Indian Constitution. Whatever syllabus, whatever chapters have been included after reduction of the CBSE board, first of all, we have to take the complete discuss about that. Indian Constitution, first part, Constitution, how and why. Number 2, first chapter, Constitution, how and why. I will take the complete discuss about this chapter. First of all, there is a need of complete awareness of the chapters have been included in your syllabus. I am talking about the first book, Indian Constitution. I will talk the second book here, political theory, including all chapters. Total format will be 80 marks. 20 questions will be asked in MCQs. Some questions having 2 marks, some questions having 4 marks, some questions 5 marks, as well as some question 3 marks. This is the complete format of examination set. Until you don't have the format of examination, what type of paper has been set for your agenda, for your examination motto, you can't command the mutual understanding between your mindset and examination. So I have talked here the first Indian Constitution, first book. The first chapter goes to how and why, and the second chapter is rights. Second chapter, rights. Having reduced the chapter of rights, it has been minimized by the CBSE board. Only 2 topics you have to continue. First, fundamental rights. Second, directive principle of state policy. Directive principle of state policy. Contains a lot of topics in rights. There are a lot of topics containing the rights, but having reduction of the CBSE board, you have to focus only 2 topics, fundamental rights and second, directive principles of the state policy. I will take the complete lecture of the fundamental rights. I will take the complete lecture of the directive principle of state policy. Examination point of view, what kind of questions will be asked, what will be the format of the questions, having classification of 1 marks, 2 marks, 3 marks and 4 marks. Now the third chapter goes to you, election and representation. This is very interesting chapters. I will also talk in explanatory and inclusive notes about it. Election and representations, president, vice president, Lok Sabha, Raj Sabha, judiciary, whatever the judiciary interferes, how the judiciary controls the elections dispute. I will take lecture based on this topic. Number four, executive. I have already discussed first video about the executive, detailed explanation notes, detailed explanation concepts have been charged in particular department of the election and representation and executive. I will take more lectures in particular facts, whatever the relevant topics running executive. Number 5, legislature. Number 6, judiciary. Number 7, constitution, a living document. Constitution, a living document. Number 8, philosophy of the constitution. Constitution. These are the chapters of the first book allotted by the CBSE board, Indian Constitution, and I will talk right now the political theory. These chapters of the Constitution, how and why, and the second chapter, rights, you have to study only fundamental rights and directive principle of state policy, and third chapter got election and representation, and the fourth chapter is executive, and the fifth chapter is legislature, and the sixth chapter is judiciary, and the seventh one is constitution, a living document, and finally philosophy of constitution, including 3 chapters. Try to understand, this is the very important fact. Until you don't have the exclusive explanation of your syllabus, you will be extremely confused to topic between the mutual understanding of examination and syllabus. So first of all, I want to say this matter must be noticed. Exactly, Indian Constitution means chapter 1 and chapter 7, constitution, a living document, and thirdly chapter 8, including 3 chapters, 1 chapter including 3 chapters, and collectively 1 chapter has been displayed, means Indian Constitution, having the reduction of the CBSE board syllabus, it has been minimized. Indian Constitution, chapter 1, chapter 7, constitution, a living document, and finally philosophy of constitution. इन तीनों चैप्टर्स को ऐड करके एक टॉपिक दिया गया है, कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन. Very carefully you have to understand this chapters understanding, chapters similarities. Chapter 1 also contains the constitution, chapter 7 also constitution of living document, and chapter 8 philosophy of the constitution. Regularly, if you watch out in the first chapter, it has been talked about the constitution. It has also been talked about the constitution in chapter number 7. In chapter number 8 also philosophy of the constitution. Contents are different, but the main theme is exactly correlate a 3 chapter. So the CBSE has minimized 3 chapters and the having sustaining collectively, you are getting the one chapter Constitution. One video lecture has been displayed, and there need a lot of maximum 4 or 5 video lectures I will deliver on the particular topic of the Constitution. And Indian Constitution, I am talking about the first book of Indian Constitution, Constitution first, 7 and 8. 3 chapters included have been made one chapter Constitution. Now the second chapter rights also very long chapter and explanatory notes needed, but the 2 topics have been decided. You have to study on the fundamental rights and directive principle of state policy. Very, very important topic of the rights. I will take maximum video lectures about this topic, fundamental rights, directive principle of state policies. I will explain what kind of fundamental rights, what kind of the directive principle of state policies, how the rights are belonging to your life, how the fundamental rights are necessary to develop the human being personality, how the fundamental rights are necessary constitutionally, what were the reason the fundamental rights have been generated, what are the practical use, what are the constitutionally benefits according to the weaker section of the society, how this can be maintained equality, how this can be maintained liberty, how this can be maintained to right to freedom, how this can be maintained to right to education, how this can be maintained to cultural and activities, and more importantly, how to anti-exploitation, like such kinds of material has been displayed here in the fundamental rights. I will take detailed lecture having 6 fundamental rights. One by one, I will take a video lecture and try to explain about it deeply. Now the directive principle of policies, I will talk about it in detailed way, in explanation. Whatever the directive principles of state policy, it has been minimized, and the directive principle of state policy, that's called in short form in the DPS. These are the also very important topic. The beyond of the Constitution has allotted to government, but this is not related to your judiciary. This cannot be challenged to judiciary. This is connective responsibility of the governments in the favor of the citizens, how these kind of policies are being recommended. So this cannot be challenged. These kind of policies cannot be challenged in court. Now third point, the election and representation. Election and representations, I have talked in my first video. I will talk how the election procedure, what is the election commission, how the election commission has been constituted, who appoints the election commissioner, how many bodies of the election commission, how the election controls, what the system of the election, like the Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha, President, Vice President, Lok Sabha Speaker, like such essential elements are required to be studied in topic of the election and the representation. I will take maximum video classes about it. And executive, and this is also very important topic. This can be explained. I will talk about the executive and total the organ of government organs, executive and legislature and judiciary. 3 kinds of the main organ of the government. Now the mutual understanding has been created, the executive, legislature and judiciary. Executive and legislature, how to control the invalid laws, and this is the safeguard of the judiciary. Survives, monitors, release the rules and laws. Executive and legislator, this maintains complete control over ruling and policies. This is illegal. Judiciary can take the strict action about that kind of rules and regulations. Number 7, Constitution. Number 8, Philosophy of Constitution. 3 chapters have been included, and only 1 chapter having summarized Constitution. I will take the maximum video lectures, Constituent Assembly, 26 January when the Constitution has been imposed, Constitution Day, implementations, how many members in Constituent Assembly, who was the, how many articles, how many parts, articles, and constitutional amendment. Drafting committee chairman, how many members were in drafting committee, Constituent Assembly, Sachdanand Sinha, Dr. Rajendra Prasad, cabinet mission, interim government. Detailed explanation should be displayed in the Indian Constitution. I will display a lot of the video about this. Now the second book having connected to your syllabus in the political theory, the first chapter goes to introduction of political theory, political theory. Number 2, equality. Number 3, freedom. Number 3, freedom. Number 4, rights. Number 5, developments. Remaining chapters have been deducted. This topic contains the particular political theory. I will talk detail in explanatory notes having sustaining policy of the political theory. I will talk about the Alexander. I will talk about the Aristotle. I will talk about the Plato. And so many political thinkers, Hobbes, Locke, and Rousseau. You also take the study of equality in the Constitution. You take study in the freedom and also in Constitution. Rights will be lectured in Constitution. Development also connected to this topic, but you have to take the classification between the behavioral differences, how they contain the topic of the equality in political theory, what is the main theme, what is the main rhythm, what is the system, whatever the political thinker thought about this, having sustained mind frame of the equality, and what is the meaning of equality in Indian Constitution, what is the meaning of equality to just regarding our political thinker, same way freedom, rights. These all contents are indirectly connected to Indian Constitution, but basically like such chapters are based on the political thinker like Plato, Aristotle, Alexander, Hobbes, Locke, Rousseau. There are so many philosopher thinkers who have contributed a lot of in the political theory and raised the political level in high, and that's kind of theory has been displayed, has been delivered. So this is the very interesting topic. Here I will talk about the equality, freedom, rights and development in the reference of the political theory, having containing a lot of the political thinker who are very, very genius and intelligent, have described their view, their perception, their philosophy. What about the equality? What about the introduction of freedom? What about the introduction of the rights? Or what about the introduction of the development? And also these topics will be lectured on the rights, constitution, election and executive. So this book on the Indian Constitution and this is the political theory, and both containing your examination format are here, and the 80 marks questions will be asked in your examination, leaving 20 marks of the practical. Leaving the 20 marks of the practicals, you have to 80 marks. So these are the syllabus format, or definitely you have to set up in your mind and note it down in particular your notebooks. The first book, these chapters, in second book, these chapters, and you have to survive the thorough study. The proposal is being demanded both logical and justified. Until you don't have the clarification of the syllabus and political thought and theory and constitution and thorough study, you will not be able to put on the maximum right answer. The 20 marks practicals based on practical, you can succeed in practical until the commanding position of the political theory and constitution. Any question can be asked, you have to take the proper answer of. In practical point of view, take the commanding position. This is not separate part of your textbook. This is also, but this kind of the practical. This comes under category of the practicals. Remaining 80 marks will be written examination of first 20 marks MCQ, 20 marks MCQ and 2 marks question 5, 3 marks question 5 and 4 marks questions 4 and 5 marks questions 3. These are the exact format of, you have to take the settlement of the marks against some 1, 2, 3 and 4 marks here. Exactly 20 marks will be based on the MCQ. 2 marks questions maybe 4 or 5, 3 marks questions maybe 4 or 5, 4 marks questions maybe 4 or 5 or 3, and 5 marks questions maybe 2 or 3. This is the explanatory format of examinations. So this is the very important topic of the humanities, the political science. Obviously this is connected to the political science. You have to apply your approach, mathematical approach, scientific approach, because you have to give a lot of explanations having the dates of the article, parts and schedules, constitutional amendments, when particular things have been appointed, what were the schedules, what are the logical things. You have to take the data based, everything should be demonstrated. So this is the very kind of interesting varieties in political science. I have discussed today about the syllabus, format of the first book, Indian Constitution, now the second book of the political theory. Whatever syllabus has been sustained, whatever syllabus have been reduced, I explained in thoroughly. And also in the second book, so like such chapters must be noted down your textbook, and format of the questions, leaving 20 marks of the practical and remaining 80 marks, 20 marks of the MCQ. MCQ questions are very important to score your high level, because if you don't have the commanding position and practically you can't get in 20 marks related to MCQ, because these questions are looking very easy, but actually this is not real position of the MCQ based. You have to need the thorough knowledge of every topic detailed. If you don't have so, it will be very tough to take the answer of the MCQ's question, because there are four आपके पास से 4 MCQs रहेंगे, 4 options रहेंगे, exactly 1 will be correct, 3 remaining will be false. So having read out the questions, you have to take the final decision what is the exact answer of the particular questions. So looking at, this is the very easier form of the 20 marks based on MCQ, but it needs thorough and detailed study, having compact figure of the political science, the constitution as well as political theory. Remaining part of the questions, 2 marks question, 4 and 5 questions, having 50 words, 40 words, 30 words, as well as 4 marks questions, just you can say in 60 words, 70 words, and the 5 marks question, this can be recommended of 100 words or 80 words. So these are the chapters are very important in your subject wise, as well as I want to emphasize this is the very important for your general study for incoming examination. This is very important. Practical the constitution covers a maximum question of GS, which is absolute connection of your the GK part, the main part of any examination, just like of your civil services, banking, SSC. So a double benefit you have to aspire, having the depth of study and having watched out the videos. You have to make the notes, separate topics related to MCQ questions and 2 marks questions, 3 marks question, 4 marks questions, and lectures will be declared, will be displayed, and also this will be assisted your book. So having complete agenda, first of all you have to take the reference of your book. Secondly, you have to watch out the video format. Thirdly, the online classes will be on. A lot of questions will on to be practiced. And the triple and the 4 actions you have to totality and composite form of beyond of this study. Definitely you will realize the particular subject in political science getting from easy to easier, easiest form. Needs hard work, needs dedication, needs practice, needs maximum vocabulary. If you have the maximum vocabulary related to political science, you have capabilities to making own sentences. Suppose that any topic which has been asked in the examinations, you have heard about that, you don't have the proper sequence of the knowledge, but the related words are in mental screen. Any barrier, any obstacles can't stop you making sentences, and you can make up that question in completely whatever the required statement, required answer. So this is the very important you have to take when I will display the videos of political science, maximum words who will be connected of the politically, और ऐसे वर्ड्स पर आपको बिल्कुल ध्यान देना है, ऐसी चीज़ों पर आपको ध्यान देना है. वोकैबुलरी जितना, सेंटेंस मेकिंग आपकी बेहतर होनी चाहिए. पॉलिटिकल थियरी में आप देखेंगे कि अरिस्टोटल, अरस्तु, हॉब्स, लॉक, रूसो के बारे में, इनके दर्शन को पढ़ेंगे, इनकी फिलॉसफी को पढ़ेंगे कि समानता के बारे में क्या सोचते थे, वास्तव में समानता है क्या. फिर उसी चीज़ को आप कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में पढ़ेंगे. यहाँ देखेंगे कि कैसे इक्वालिटी को वहाँ डिफाइन किया गया, यहाँ किया गया है. सेकेंडली फिर फ्रीडम यहाँ भी देखेंगे कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में. तो देयर इज ए ड्रास्टिक कोरिलेशन बिटवीन बोथ constitution and political theory, and it will be generated a lot of the perceptions and philosophical view, and will be very interesting. Having taught and having taken the full interest, that will be completely enough for you. That's all for today. I will take the next video based on the Constitution Part 2, Constitution Part 3, Constitution Part 4. Having that, I will take the right, just the fundamental rights, that to principal states. Minimum 3 or 4 videos will be taken. Step wise we will move forward, and every topic will be discussed, and your personal question will be taken. But ultimately you have to reserve, having applied your brain very peacefully, thoroughly, and work hard in right directions. Every point should be noted. That's articles, that's parts, that's amendments, particular commissions has been originated. You have to take the year, Constituent Assembly, Public Day, Independence Day, like such things are included here. I will take step by step. After that, direct we have to take the commanding position of the video setting, and that's all for today. Thank you.